Hi everyone, this is Propy. This is available on Coinbase and I'm sure it's available on other exchanges as well. This is a quick update on its price action. It had amazing run from month of March 2024 this year up to April. So within 1 month, just just over a month, zero point 0.5 to 3.5, amazing run. And then started downtrend. This is more like a mini bear cycle. And now it is bouncing. When we look at the structure, first of all, it built or formed the descending triangle, a bearish pattern, where this was the first hit or correction. Then attempt failed. Second hit, we can say double bottom. At this moment, we could not say it is going to go down. And then another attempt, again, failed. So we could see that there's no way to tell at this moment. There's no way to tell at this moment as well, right? But when it bounced and rejected, this is where we could say there is something going on, and then we could have this triangle uh, indicating that this becomes the edge. So important is the boundary of the pattern is very important, and the boundary tells that which are the key levels. Here we could see that if it would have gone up and let's say closed about this, then we could have said, okay, now this wants to recover. However, it touched again. Again, touching doesn't mean breaking down. Breaking down has to happen when, I mean, conclusion has to happen only when it closes below this edge. And sometimes it's tricky. It could go down and then recovers. But when it breaks down and again hits the same level, this support becomes the resistance. And then you see the rejection again. What might happen in that case, that it could go up to this one and retry again, re-enters, but in this case it breaks down even further, and that's how it continues. So it is very easy to say that it started a correction from here and then it stopped. uh, Probably it is now here. So if we assume that this is the end, let's say for now, hypothetically, it's not easy to tell at this moment. It's not easy to tell at this moment as well. But yeah, here we can. But at the same time, as I said, if it would have entered, then understanding had to be corrected there, and we had to accept that this was a fake or false breakdown and then recover. It didn't happen. It came down here and then another leg down. So likewise, um, TA would interpret, a trader would interpret. Let's add one more drawing indicating this descending channel. This channel is guiding us, telling us that this is the beginning. So this is a channel line. This is a trend line. Sorry, this is this is a trend line. This is a channel line. And then we could see that there was an attempt which coincides with the triangle, and then point of rejection touches the channel again. I mean the trend line of the channel, and then we see another attempt in progress. Let's add a few levels from understanding that it seems that this is a support, definitely, because we see a strong bounce. It doesn't mean this was not a support, but it is a broken, so I haven't added. So this was a support, this was a support, and now this is the latest support. Now, this is the required level. The yellow level is the required level for it to break this descending channel. So that is like one of two requirements. So what are two requirements? First of all, it has to break above, not just break above, but close above. Daily close would be good, weekly close would be wonderful. So the closing is important. So if it could close above the daily, um, above the daily level, I mean, 1 day closer about this yellow, that would be the first achievement, right? And when it breaks about this would be the second, but I have this green level, which is more conservative level. Ideally, this is the level it has to break above for it to reverse. technically speaking. Okay, but breaking about this channel is the first good news, and re-entering this triangle is a second good news. And you can say that um, this is more like extension of this more conservative level. And if this, because at this level it also not only just break above the support of this triangle, but also breaks above the triangle itself. That's why if it can break about 2.45, I would say then there is a high probability for it to reverse. And a reversal means attaining the previously lost level, means going back to the point of rejection, and then potentially a new high. So this is simple explanation using some drawings, patterns, and some calculated levels. I hope you find this useful. Thanks.